back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review of Shapessy Shapewear. And if you're not familiar with Shapessy, basically they are a company that does a really awesome shapewear. So if you're not familiar what shapewear is, it's basically like the undergarments that you could wear, like a lot of us girls, not all of us, but some of us like to wear underneath like our dresses or skirts, just to kind of hold everything in place and make everything look nice and put together. Like when we wear bodycon dresses or tight dresses, it's not necessarily like a way to like look thinner, but it is a way to kind of look put together and just everything hold well put together nicely. I absolutely love it. They reached out to me recently and asked me to review their shapewear brief, like their panty, and it comes in this little cute bag. It's super cute. It holds everything in, super comfortable. They stay in place all day. They do have like these elastic, kind of like a grip in their waistband, and it kind of holds everything together really nicely. So I'm going to show you in just a second my video of me trying these on with this dress, and I'm going to show you with and without the shapewear so you can see kind of the difference. It shows a little bit of the difference of what it looks like with the shapewear and what a difference it makes. For me, one of my biggest kind of like my biggest issues with tight dresses, because I do love tight dresses, is just making sure like my stomach area kind of just looks put together and is not like all over the place. So this is really, really helpful. The one that they sent me is in a 3XL. I believe they come up to a 3X or a 4X. I'm not sure. But the 3X fit perfectly. It's super, as you can see, it stretches a lot. And then it's like the back of it. It's perfect. It just contours for your body, and it's super stretchy, very comfortable. You could literally wear this all day and feel comfortable. I have tried other shapewear that does not feel as comfortable, but this one was really, really comfy. So anyways, I did want to show you guys. I will link everything down below where you can find this, and I will put a link down below for you guys in case you're interested in checking it out. If you are, it does make such a good difference, and it just makes you feel more confident when you feel like your outfit is like put together. It really helps with my confidence. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Shapessy for reaching out to me and sending me this awesome shapewear. Okay, so basically this is the look without the shapewear, and as you can tell, you can definitely tell I'm not wearing shapewear in here. Like everything just jiggles more. I don't know the proper way to put that, but that's exactly what it is. Shapewear kind of just makes things stay in place, if you will, and you just look a little bit more put together with dresses like this. I really love, like, you know, I love really tight, pretty, feminine dresses, and so that's what shapewear does. It just makes things look put together. So then in here, I am wearing it with the shapewear, and obviously you could tell that it's held together better. So I absolutely love what the shapewear does. If you can see, like, it just looks a lot better. This dress just looks better with it. It's super comfortable, super stretchy, and it just fits perfectly with any of my outfits that I have. So I absolutely love what it does. And it right there, that's kind of where it falls at my waist. And it just looks, it doesn't leave any lines, so it's like, you know, smooth, and I just love this shapewear. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.